We will start by demonstrating the non-destructive disassembly of the iameco touchscreen computer, designed and manufactured by MicroPro Computers in Dublin, Ireland. To commence the test, our technician will safely take off the back cover by removing 5 retaining screws. He will now disassemble the wooden frame by removing 2 screws, top and bottom. His next step is he will remove the SSD hard drive. And now he will remove the memory. He now continues to remove the serial and parallel card. For the next step, he will remove the power unit, including the on-off switch. He will now remove the processor with its solid-state heatsink. He will now continue and remove the motherboard from the chassis. And now he will remove the stereo speakers and cables. The technician will now demonstrate the removal of the touch screen from the wooden frame. And this final step completes the non-destructive disassembly of the iameco touchscreen computer. This process has taken 3 minutes and 39 seconds to complete by one technician utilizing a standard screwdriver.